Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a like-new Chrysler Group Certified 2017 Jeep Cherokee Latitude, stock number B9467X. Only 2,000 miles on this Cherokee. Clean auto check history report. This was one of our courtesy vehicles to be Chrysler Group certified. The vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Billet silver metallic in color, seats 5, cloth interior, split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, great for those cold winter days. Dual zone automatic temperature control, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional storage under the front passenger seat, along with a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, and HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower. And of course, just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and again, only 2,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.